Hello, and today video I want to talk with you about this specific topic like losing weight. I suffering with my diet. I used to practice different kind diets until I understand some specific secrets, specific way for losing weight for in my life. What is suitable for me and what can help me to have the same condition of my body. I was worried anytime when I earned some 1 or 2 points, and of course next day when I recognized that my figure not stable, I started to have some fasting day next day. It means when I feel that my figure is not suitable for some pants I want to use next day, day before I have fasting day. Fasting day I used to make for myself 1, 2 or even 3 days a week, and I think it's quite suitable and healthy for anybody who reached 25 years old, because after this age, especially women, started to decline their energy and beauty, and as you know, after 25 we stop to grow and process is going to different direction, we become older more and more, and it's like this process very fast, we will not recognize this. And these fasting days after 25 years old I used to practice, and I practice each week, and it's based on apples, kefir, salad and soup. I think these 4 components is the best way to make fasting. For me it's like quite difficult to make really fasting days like it's to professionals, like with only water and nothing more. I think it's too much, because after fasting day you cannot control yourself, and especially I understand it's possible to overeat, what is really prohibition is not very good. Everybody happened, somebody is earning age and earning weight, another one is losing weight, and everybody have problem, but to be concentrated only on figure, on your body and nothing more is not also very good. Yes, you need to go and enjoy nature. Yes, even nature, yes, especially nature, because it's something what close with us. This is the closest thing human being can get from nature, energy from nature, and from your friends. When you have really friend you can talk with about your problem, you will feel positive, and it means you will not overeat. This is the main reason why people gain weight. They eat too much and do exercise too much, or not to do exercise too much. It means 70% success. It's a food. What kind of food we put in our body, and of course our relationship with in our environment. It was very difficult for me to lose weight or control my weight or eat what I think is healthy, because it's that time when I live with my parents, because they have absolutely different culture of food, and my manner consuming food was very offensive for them, and I was looking for living by myself, by my own, to choose food I want. And this the first reason I want to change my house where we live with parents, to live by my own, because then I decided what to eat. I decided how can I live, and nobody will tell me you're not right, you are incorrect, and eat and do whenever we want. And of course your relationship should be good for you, yes, and to control your wish, to control your sweet tooth, you need to to control your sweet tooth. You need to replace what is not good for your body for similar product what is good for your body. For example, I'll give you some example. French fries, which consists lots of fat, saturated fat, lots of salt, sugar, and I don't know what else. You can just change this Or mashed potatoes without butter and without sugar, and just put a little bit of salt and milk. That's all. If you like, for example, sausage, fat sausage, and you like meat, this kind, then just change this sausage, fat sausage, for natural meat like chicken, turkey, it's real, or rabbit. Really very healthy meat, and if you believe the producent you buy from, this is good material. You can make like soup or with water, with minimum of oil or olive oil put in it, and please enjoy healthy food. And if you don't like salad, no really you don't like salad, but you know salad is very important for us to lose weight, yes, but you don't like salad, what can you do? Instead of salad, you can start it to eat a carrot, not with salad, separate. Maybe if you try separate all vegetables, you will like it. Sweet pepper, just cut it in some beauty size, and some cucumbers, some carrots, and put in the dishes together with your mashed potatoes and chicken, and boiled chicken. If you like to eat egg, if you like to eat fried egg with butter, just change fried egg to boiled egg, or to poached egg. If you like to eat bread, but it's like very heavy carbohydrate, just change heavy carbohydrates to some wrap, for example. Put just there some your favorite vegetables and make wrap for yourself. It's much better than eat bread. If you like to eat sweet grapes, just change sweet grapes for sweet apple. You will have half of calories. Means grapes has 50% more calories than apple, the same weight. And this is the main secret. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to put comments below and to put notification bell to not lose any my video. Bye bye.